everyone, it's Jennifer, and I wanted to share some Happy Meal with you. I was on Garden State Gardener's channel on a Sunday fun day, and I won a couple of prizes. The first prize I won is this t-shirt from the Vineyard Chicks, and it is so adorable. I'm going to link their channel down below. And they sent me this, I love this. I got this beautiful card. And I got this beautiful card. And it is really cute. This is from Joe. And it is really pretty. And he says, never stop dreaming. So that's a great card. The Vineyard Chick sent me a card too, and I don't have it in here. But see, it is congratulations from the Garden State Gardener. And also from Joe. I got this beautiful kit. Look at this. It's our Pokemon crochet kit. And it includes everything you need to make Pikachu and instructions for 5 other Pokemon. So these are the instructions you get to make these other Pokemon. Oh, come on, come in. And there's the other Pokemon. It is awesome. I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to show you what come in the kit. There it went. Let's open it up and see what's in the kit. That way, if you guys want to get a kit, you'll know what comes in it. So let's check it out. Oh my. So when I open it up, there's what's in it. So we have felt and open it up. So we have pieces of felt. We have a needle and some felt right here. And we have glue. Obviously to glue the felt on, I would think. I don't know that I would glue it on. I'd probably sew it on. That's just me. So we've got the glue and the felt and a needle. And we've got... what in the world? Oh! It comes with a tiny crochet hook. Let me show you. It comes with a tiny crochet hook. Itsy bitsy. Teeny weeny. Now you can see it. There it is. What is it? A 2.5 millimeter. So it comes with a crochet hook, which is awesome. We have 2 hanks of yellow. They're blurred. And then we have a small hank of black and a small hank of brown, which is great. We have this, ooh, all the air sucked out of it, polyfill. And then we have the book and the Pokemon on it. And look at that Pokemon. That's so cool. So, let me see if I can find some pictures to show you. Let's see. Thumb through it real quick. So we've got this Pokemon right there. That is, I have no, Jigglypuff. I think that's the name. Jigglypuff. And we've got this one. Snorlax. These are really cute. I think I'm going to have fun making these. I love this one. That's adorable. That, I know that's Eevee. I love the Eevee. And of course we have the yarn to make this one. This is Pikachu. So I'll be making a Pikachu. And this is super cute. Look at this. Side duck. Love that. Love the side duck. And oh, how cute is this one? Vilpix. I love that. Look at that. Love the tail. Love the tail on that. Oh, I do. So that's awesome. These are some great patterns. I really do like this. This is a great kit. So if you guys were interested in getting the kit, I would definitely recommend it. I think it's fantastic. I would definitely recommend the kit. This is awesome. I'm super happy I won this. Thank you so much, Joe and Vineyard Chicks. Thank you guys so much. I am really stoked and over the moon. So thank you. Check out Garden State Gardener and check out the Vineyard Chicks. They're pretty cool. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.